Hey guys, Mixed Media Girl here. So I had an idea that I want to try out, and bear with me here, but we're going to basically start out with a clean pour. Not going for anything kind of specific here. I'm just going to throw kind of a lot of paint down. These are Artist Loft Flow Acrylics mixed with Floetrol and water. And I am actually completely out of white for this second. Just need to mix more up, so this painting's not going to have any white. Just for good measure, we'll throw a little bit of black in here. Okay. Now I'm going to just tilt this around so that everything is covered. As you can notice, thus far, there are no cells here. Which a lot of times the cells are definitely helped by movement. There shouldn't be enough movement here, though, to produce too much effect. There we go. So we got coverage here, which is great. Now comes the next part of my plan, which is something that I wanted to try out. So I don't know if you guys remember, but I did this quite a while ago where I sprayed silicone on the painting. The painting I did at the time was a dirty pour, so it already had cells. So I want to try it on a painting here that has no cells, such as this one. And by the way, guys, if you're ever looking for no cells, just do it as a clean pour, not a flip cup or anything like that. So what we're going to do is we're going to take some of this blaster silicone, and it's a spray silicone. So I'm going to basically just try to spray this. I'm going to just try to mist it and not actually like soak it or anything. And we'll go ahead and we'll get a close-up for this. All right, here we go. Well, it's very hard to get just a little mist. Seems to want to squirt out of that more. Whoop, there we go. Okay, that's a lot of silicone. But look at that. You can see these immediate awesome cells forming. Yeah, I'm sure that I just sprayed way more than enough. Let's go ahead and we'll let this sit here. I'm going to time lapse this for a bit, and then we'll be back. Okay, we're back. So, I mean, I just think it's really interesting. Just the effects that created. Now, obviously, I didn't like spray it evenly, and I think had I maybe shook the can up a little better, may have been better. But you saw kind of the instant effect that created. So I think this can have some uses, like if you have a painting that's maybe a little bit drab, or you're not totally sure if you're happy with it, you can always try this and see what happens. Now I'm going to do one other little experiment. I mean, I actually really like this. But another thing you can do if you're ever not totally happy with a pour is you can swipe it. So I'm going to just curious. I'm going to try to just gently swipe this. And because it does have that silicone on it, I think it will come out pretty cool. Yeah, I actually really like that. Okay, once again, let's go ahead and time lapse this. All right, we're back. So let's go ahead and we will do our close-up. Starting with the bottom right-hand corner. I mean, we definitely got lots of interesting effects in here, just due to the way we applied the silicone. And we used rainbow colors, basically, except for white, which would have helped make some other colors like pink and stuff, but that's okay. We got our purples, we got our greens. Yeah, I just think it's really cool, and that kind of shows you some things you can do. So there you guys go. I hope you enjoyed this odd little video, and I will see y'all next time.